Okay, we have two sets of rear sets, a set of levers and a set of original exhaust pipes, original mufflers. The mufflers have been opened up and the baffles have been freed up just a little bit. Right, this set here is off a second-hand motorcycle. It's all there. They have got it's got a slight bend in them just there. Other than that, they come off a repairable write-off. Same as that's where those levers come from as well. This set here is a brand spanking new set, come off a brand new motorcycle. And they're brand new. They just got rub marks on them where they've been sitting in the shed for 5 years. The mufflers are original. Got a couple of rub marks on them here and there. Need a good clean. There you go, that's them. They're just dirty, that's all. And they were used for about 3 or 4 months until a full race system was put on the motorcycle.